If you still think Pinterest is wedding dresses and smoothie recipes, let me tell you, you're about to be surprised.
What? 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 What?
Pinterest nowadays is one of the smartest moves for businesses. Hey, I'm Isabel, part of the Metricool team, and we are literally obsessed with making social way more easy and effective for you. Today, I will be sharing why Pinterest business might be the biggest missed opportunity. And stick around because I'll even walk you through a step-by-step action plan to get started easily. Let's go. Alright, before we dive into the how-tos, let's explain why Pinterest should be on your radar. Well, first things first. Pinterest now has over 500 million monthly active users. Also, about 32% of Pinterest users are now Gen Zs, which is literally the generation that is reshaping all of the businesses online. And last but not least, clicks to websites from Pinterest grew 55% recently, according to Metricool's latest study. And while Instagram and TikTok feel like crowded parties, Pinterest is more like an open market full of plenty of buyers actively searching for what you offer. Now let's make it super clear. Why Pinterest business can be a game changer. One of the good things about Pinterest is that people go to that platform with intent. They're not just scrolling. They are searching for products, inspiration, and solutions. Something that I really also like is that pins have a crazy long life. Literally, a good pin can drive traffic for months or even years. Another thing is that Pinterest drives real clicks, not just likes. Metricool study shows that Pinterest delivers way more click-through rates compared to Instagram or TikTok. And you might be wondering, but where do those clicks go? Well, they go to your website and they can actually deliver business results. And if you're still on the fence, let's clear up two huge misconceptions about Pinterest, and I'll promise you that you'll see this platform very differently after this. The first misconception is that a lot of people think that Pinterest is only for aesthetic or lifestyle brands, and that is a big, huge no. Financial advisors, coaches, SaaS platforms, and even B2B companies are quietly using Pinterest to dominate. And the second huge myth is that people think that adding Pinterest to their social media schedule will take a lot of time and effort. And honestly, I used to think the same. I was like, oh no, if I have to show up consistently on another platform again, it will literally kill me and be impossible. But the truth is, you don't have to be glued to your computer or your phone to consistently be posting at these platforms. Tools like Metricool can help you schedule a week or even a month in advance of content for Pinterest. That way, your account can stay active even when you're running your business or busy doing normal life stuff. And now the part that I promise you. How can you start using Pinterest business for your business? Well, the first thing that you're gonna do is you need to create your business account. For this, you're gonna go to business.pinterest.com and you will click on sign up. Then you will choose create free business account. This will give you tools like analytics or even ads tools that you can start using later. It's gonna ask you to fill out your email, name, password, business name, and website if you have one. And the good thing is that if you already have a personal account, you can easily convert this into a business account. Let's be real, you already have a lot on your plate. Between answering emails, brainstorming content, and wondering why your engagement dropped overnight or disappeared just like your salary the day after you got paid, managing social media can feel like a full-time job. Oh wait, it is. But it doesn't have to be a stressful one. With Metricool, you can schedule posts, approve content, and get automatic reports. So you can focus on what really matters, like watching this video without having to multitask. Click the link in the description and create your free account now. The second step is crucial. you need to set up your profile accordingly. For this, you need to upload a clear and professional logo or photo that really represents your brand. The key here is that you need to have a bio that clearly describes what you do, who you help, and what you offer. A good example of this can be helping professionals get in shape with simple workouts. Pretty on point, actually. And the last part of this step is to add and verify your website to build community and trust. Okay, we're now into step number 3. You can start creating 3 to 5 boards. To put it into perspective, boards are like folders where you will save your pins. Think about what topics your ideal customers will be searching for. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you can start creating boards like healthy meal plans or home workout. And if you're not sure what keywords to incorporate in these boards, stick around because I'll show you a video at the end to help you with this. And now in step number 4 is where the fun begins. You can start creating your first 10 pins. You can try and mix it up and try different formats. For example, you can do classic image pins, short videos, or even infographics that share quick tips or tutorials. Think that the more different and useful your content is, the better results you will get from your content. And something key about Pinterest is that they love accounts that offer a lot of value in different formats. And a good way for creating this content is Canva. It's free and packed with templates and really good inspiration. And don't worry if you don't know what content will perform best in the beginning. Once you start posting and reviewing your analytics, you'll quickly start to see what your audience loves. And then you will have the perfect starting point to build from that. Step number 5 is one of my favorites and is scheduling. You can schedule your posts with Metricool. Instead of posting on Pinterest manually every day, you can make it so much easier on yourself. You can batch create your pins and use Metricool to schedule all of them ahead of time. And this is where a pro tip comes in. I would highly recommend if you schedule 1 to 2 pins a day. That way you can keep your account active, growing, and flowing without feeling like Pinterest is taking over your life. And on the last step, and honestly, one of the most important ones to growing on every platform is that you need to check your analytics on a weekly basis. So once a week, take 5 to 15 minutes of your day to check your analytics. And you can actually also do this through Metricool or directly from your Pinterest dashboard, whichever you prefer, honestly. In here, you need to look for pins that are getting the most clicks, impressions, or saves. For example, if you notice that the pins that are quick home workouts are getting way more clicks than the healthy snack pins, that's your signal to create more around what's actually working for your account. What you need to remember is that success on Pinterest means doubling down on what your audience actually loves, not guessing every week to create content based out of nowhere. And that's it. Everything explained step by step and nothing really complicated. If this video made Pinterest feel less scary, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments, what's your business all about? I genuinely love to hear it. And if you're wondering how can you actually find the best keywords for your video, right here I'm gonna leave you a video with all the information you need to have. See you in the next one, Metricooler.